Hi everyone, welcome to our channel जीवन I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Dhurandhar box office. Ranveer Singh film continues extraordinary trend on Wednesday. Nets 162 crore in 6 days. Based on its trajectory, so far Dhurandhar is 13 to surpass the rupees 400 crore net mark and is likely gunning for the rupees 500 crore net plus by Jitinder Singh published on 10 December 2025. Dhirendra is looking to put rupees 25 crore net approx on Wednesday at the Indian box office. The business stayed on par with Tuesday, which was already up from Monday by nearly 20%. The six-day running total for the film stands at rupees 161.50 crore net approx. The first week for the film is headed for rupees 180 crore net plus, which is an excellent figure and coming with an outstanding trend. The Wednesday numbers for the film are among the highest ever in history ahead of films like Chavan, Pathan and Street 2. The film has gathered massive momentum and has now become a phenomenon getting into mainstream media and conversation as there are some political elements involved. Scanning, this is the trend in the overseas markets, which is similarly uber strong. There is still some feeding involved for the film, but the quantum has come down from what it was during the weekend. In the second week, things should get closer to or pretty much completely normal. That said, there is no way to verify it. However, considering the feeding has gone down, the organic trend is even better than what the numbers are showing. Based on its trajectory, so far the film is certain to surpass the rupees 400 crore net mark and is likely gunning for the rupees 500 crore net plus. It will be getting the help from the holiday period at the end of the month and there is not a big competition either. The film can easily run till Border 2 arrives on Republic Day next month. The makers of the film showed immense confidence in the film, putting so much of their resources into a film like this, which had limitations numerically. The confidence was there in marketing too, as they kept a lot under wraps, giving the audiences a chance to experience it fresh in theaters. They probably got cold feet and lost some of their confidence in the end in during in manufacturing box office numbers. This has cost the film of positivity in the industry that the organic growth in trend would have brought. The box office numbers of Dhurandhar in India are as follows. Also read Dhurandhar box office Ranveer Singh film tops 200 crore worldwide with phenomenal Tuesday overseas. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.